What is up, my fellow yarn besties? I am the Crafty Crocheter, and if you want to become a yarn bestie, click the subscribe button so you get access to more content. If you like what you see in this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Don't forget to hype this video, share this video, and recommend this channel to all of your family and friends. So, in this video, I thought I would do the second episode of my whipping it up on Wednesdays with the Crafty Crocheter. Now, this series is about my current whips and my progress on them, so I'll give like progress reports, but I think I went over that in the pilot episode. So the project I am working on, as you may know, is for the Caron Calico Flowers crochet scarf, and the pattern is free on the Yarnspirations website. You can download it and print it, but I will include the link for the pattern in the description below, so click on that and print it out. And if you want to follow along, that's great. And if you do follow along, share what you've done so far in my community page, or if you feel that you don't want to share it in the community page, you can email it to me. My email address will be in the description below as well. And I am an affiliate for Yarnspirations, so if you click on my Yarnspirations affiliate link, any orders made as a result of clicking on that link will put some extra commission money in my pocket, which will be used to grow the channel. So this is the first week of my project, so I'm going to show you what I have so far. And I'll go into the specs of the pattern as well throughout this video, so don't worry. So, and I'm also going to offer any advice for those of you who are following along and you have questions or concerns about the pattern, or if you have a difficulty with the pattern, or you're just kind of not sure of how to work it, let me know and I'll gladly assist. So I'm going to show you what I have so far. So I'm going to show, first I'll show it like lengthwise like this, and then I'll lay it flat, and then I'll show you what it looks like all laid out. So the current status of this is I have it halfway done, because in the pattern it specifies that you have to work the motifs until the scarf itself measures about 66 inches or 5'6". So, and I did some calculating, and here's what it looks like so far. Let me stretch this yarn out because I still have it on the hook. And here's what it looks like so far. This is halfway done. So you first work a full circle motif, and then you work the half, you connect the half motifs like a chain. But this is what halfway looks like, and so far I have, including the full motif, I have 13. And I did calculate how many motifs would be a foot. So 4 completed motifs equals 1 foot. So if you want 5'6", you have to do about 26 motifs total. Or until, if you're using a different crochet hook, say you're using a smaller one, the gauge may be different, but I'm using an I crochet hook for this as specified in the pattern. So, and this is what it looks like so far. So I'm going to show you what it looks like laid flat. All right, so here's what it looks like all laid out flat. Now here's the yarn. I'm about halfway through the cake of yarn. So here's what it looks like flattened out. Now you see how it kind of starts off with this light, like minty green color, then it goes into a darker green and kind of a gray green, then it goes back to, it's just the way that the colorway is working. So this is what it looks like all laid out. Now I have 13 motifs so far, which is halfway through the project. So once I get the rest of the motifs all done, then I have to apply the border. So hopefully I can get that done by next week's episode. So this is what it looks like all flattened out. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that video as much fun as I had making it. Now, that's a fun project to do. So if you want to follow along with me, download the pattern from the link I provided in the description, and then just share what you have so far. And let me know what colorways you use. If you want to use a different type of yarn, that's fine too, as long as it's worsted weight number 4. You can probably use like 100% acrylic, like a standard red heart yarn, or any kind of standard weight number 4 weighted yarn. You can use acrylic, you can use what I'm using with Caron, or you can use a cotton yarn, and it will just turn out great. So as long as you get the gauge set, then you'll be fine. Again, if you like what you see in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.